years since the project started, Unicorn is beginning to consolidate as a novel platform for development, deployment, and monitoring of multi-cloud applications, with utilities related to security, intrusion detection, and elasticity, among others. The first validation workshop of the DevOps UNICORN platform, funded through the Horizon 2020 program by the European Commission, took place in Alicante, Spain on 11th April. The 12 companies selected out of 55 that competed, together with the members of the Unicorn Project consortium, met for a working day to start the Unicorn validation phase. 8 European countries are represented with the 12 participants, all of them deep tech companies specialized in fields such as the Internet of Things, game development, databases, data analytics, e-health, energy, home care services, and smart cities, to mention a few. During the workshop, the companies received training on the Unicorn platform from its creators and were able to explain the use they plan to make of Unicorn during the validation. Finally, each of the companies was assigned a platform expert to support them technologically throughout the validation process. There are 6 months of intense and productive work ahead, 4 of them testing Unicorn and 2 compiling results according to the metrics defined, all under the supervision of experts. At the end of 2019, there will be a new face-to-face event where the participants will present the results they obtained to the rest of the attendees at the event, which will undoubtedly improve the platform and will result in a clear benefit for the companies involved and, in general, for the community of developers of cloud computing applications.